In today's video, we are going to edit this button. This button is nothing but a simple frame and a text inside the frame. What we are going to do is we are going to copy this frame, and after that we are going to change its color. Let's choose this, and then we are going to create a component out of it by clicking on the create component button. After we have created the component, we are going to create a variant of the button. So this is how a variant is created. We are going to change the fill of the variant to be a little darker shade. That's it. And we are going to replace the older button with the newer button, that is a component. So for that we are going to copy our component. You can copy it by either by clicking Ctrl C, or you can copy it by right clicking it, and then we are going to choose our button and we are going to right click it and paste to replace. We are going to use paste to replace, and there our button is replaced. See, it's that easy. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video, and click the bell icon to join the notification squad. Let us know in the comments which part of the video was most helpful to you, and share it with your friends. Thank you.